We have another beautiful day of sailing. Today it's just me and my dad. We're doing an average of 4.3 to 4.5 knots. It's a race. It's always a race. Longest day in the water, the most distance covered, the furthest south and the furthest north I've been on the bay. Not a bad day. For another day on the water. Almost missed the green marker right there. Got a little too short. That's our little marina over there. It's a bit of a tight spot, but our boat is small, so it fits there very easily. Not much wind now, but once we get on the bay, I think the wind will pick up and we'll be able to sail. The water is nice and calm out here. No wake. And just like that, we're at the end of the July. Today is July 31st. Yeah, tomorrow is August 1st already. Unbelievable how quick the year is gone.
Okay, sails are up. We're underway. A little tablet that George installed. George installed those little doodads. I don't know if you could tell. The little red one, because he said that's going to help me steer a little bit better. Like that. There's the green one, starboard side, and the red one, port side. The things you do for love. Jumped overboard just now. He's a buff.
Oh, the boat is going away.
Crazy.
Oh, this feels good. The water is so good. It's amazing. There's absolutely no wind. I dropped the sail and now we're just floating. Bathing suit not necessary. Forgot to bring the bathing suit because I thought I was going to be sailing, but unfortunately there's no wind, so decided to go for a swim. But Fatima doesn't want to come for the swim. She's in the boat. Damn, power boats don't stop going by, and that's what's making these waves. Oh, this feels so good. This water is really, really good. The water is a little murky, but that's typical of the bay, so this is not open ocean yet. Plus it's New Jersey, so you really don't have Florida kind of water. And Farima is worried about the jellyfish, because this bay is supposed to have some bad jellyfish once in a while. And what? He's gonna sting me in the wrong place? That's okay, I'm not afraid. And Farima is worried that that boat, I'm gonna show you where the boat is, he's gonna see my naked ass. Look how far he is. This feels really good. Oh, it's so peaceful. It's like no waves, no wind, bobbing up and down in these calm waters. There's no wind at all, so we've decided, look, it's not even moving, not even waving. So we've decided to turn the engine on and just head in. We're supposed to be meeting some friends later for dinner, so might as well go in, maybe jump in the pool, and then we'll see. Here we go. When all else fails, use the motor. Probably crab traps. Steering with my foot. Powerboats! That's what they do, waves. This is the channel we have to follow with the red right return, so the red buoy has to be on the right side as we return into the bay. As you can see, there's a red here, and then there's another red and the green up ahead, and it continues all the way. That's why those two power boats are coming the same way, because over there it's a little shallow, but there's a power boat going by, and I guess for them it's okay because propeller only sticks maybe a foot below the boat, so they should be fine. I'm not too bad, I'm only 2 feet, so I should be fine. My draft is 1.9, I think, so almost 2 feet. So I could be over there as well, but just to play it safe, I'm gonna be in the channel. Português! Nós também! He has a massive boat and a massive flag hanging in the middle of the boat. He can't forget the motherland. He has to have the flag to remind him. Vinho verde e bacalhau. Oh, e sardinhas, yeah, I forgot about that. Vinho verde e sardinhas. He has a monster boat. Look at this. What a beautiful boat. It's really a beautiful part of New Jersey. Unfortunately, New Jersey sucks when it comes to taxes and everything else, and regulations. Gas station for the powerboats. $3.50, I think. The gas. So on land it's probably like $3.15 right now, and there's $3.50 over there. All those sailboats. Nobody went out today, because they knew the wind was not going to be there, and I also knew, but I thought it was going to be around 12 o'clock when the wind completely stopped. And we went out, I think 9 something, but the wind just died. And just like that, it's ready for another day. A little tide. And make sure I don't forget anything. All the lines are tied. Got to swim in the Barnegat Bay today. Leaving the boat and coming to this. The water is so good. There was no wind in the bay, so I left the boat, the marina, and came home. I got this around, so I'm okay. It's not a lost day. Can't sail, can't swim. And enjoy the pool now. It's a little cold, but actually colder than the ocean. But it's not too bad.